Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these vertical timeline bullet points on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so you can see in this example we have a 7-day challenge landing page, and I want to describe all those 7 days as a bullet point and with the content. Okay, so here is the bullet point, and once I just scroll down, you can see it is animated and change the background of the step numbers. Okay, you can see here. So that's how it actually works. So once you scroll up, it will reset, and once scroll down, it will just work like this. Okay, so let me show you how we can create this type of vertical timeline bullet points on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so here is the page I am designing now. So in this page, okay, in this section we have two different code snippet where the first one is totally HTML content, and the second one has the CSS and JavaScript, okay, to make our design good. Okay, so let me just copy the code from here. Okay, so you will get this code snippet right inside your members area of GHL code snippets. Okay, and let me show you where you need to make change. Okay, so inside the HTML you don't need to make change any code. Okay, all you just need to replace your content. Okay, so for h3 tag you will find the day 1, day 2, day 3 as default content. Okay, you just need to adjust your step name here. Okay, so let's say you want to make step 1, step 2, step 3 like this way. Otherwise, if you want to sell day 1, day 2, or whatever you want to name your steps, you just need to name it here. And then for the content, we have two block like the strong. Okay, with this tag we have a content which is a bit bold. You can see here. This is the bolder content to make our sub headline for this content. Okay, so you just need to adjust your content here, okay, for the subheadline. And if you don't have any subheadline, all you just need to delete this strong tag with the content. Okay, so in this example I want to put this here, and then here's our paragraph, which is the actual text we want to put as a bullet point. Okay, so this way you just need to make changes all the content. And for this example we have 7 steps. Okay, if you want to delete any steps, then just delete it from here. Let's say if I want to delete the last 2 steps, then all I just need to do it like this. Okay, so if you want to add more, then you can also do that, but I think 7 steps is good enough. If you don't need 7 steps, you always can delete the steps that you don't need. Okay, so you just need to adjust the content, and then just copy from your code editor, go back to your GoHighLevel page editor, open the code blocks, and just paste it here. Okay, and then we just added the content, right? So now if we want to make change this bullet point color, the bullet point font color, which is the number, right, like 1, 2, 3, okay, the steps number, if you want to change this font color, you can also do that by using the CSS changes. Okay, so just open your CSS code, okay, and then just find this class called bullet, and you will see the description for every steps you need to adjust. Okay, so for the bullet point font colors, okay, which is the number color, here is it. Okay, so in this example we have the black color, which is the code is here. Okay, the black color code. If you want to change the font color of your number, then you just need to put your color, and then the bullet points border color. Okay, so by default you see here the bullet point by default have a round shape border which is green in this example. So if you want to change this border color, okay, here is it. All you just need to change this color code here, and then here is the another color. This is the default background color. Okay, so by default we have a little bit greeny type background color, okay, or the white background color if we see here. So if you want to change that background color, the default background color of your bullet points, then all you just need to change this color code. Okay, So here's it, and then the active bullet points, which is totally green here. You see, once we scroll down, the bullet points activated by changing its background color, right? So if you want to change this green color, then all you just need to make change of this color code, okay? And then you can also adjust your content color, like the content font color, content font size. If you want to adjust the content width, font width, like bold or normal font, okay? If you want to do this, you can use this code snippet, okay, to change the color. And then here's the paragraph color, which is our text content. So if you want to change the color code, okay, of the font, if you change the font size, then you can do that. And here's our content step color, okay. Here is the content step color and the font size of the content step. And here is the vertical line code, okay. So you need to adjust the vertical line height. Let's say for this example, okay, we have 7 steps. If you don't need the 7 steps, then let's say you have 5 steps to use, okay. So then you need to change this vertical line height, okay. So it's a percentage value. All you just need to adjust based on your need, okay, because we all need to connect all those bullet points with this vertical line, okay. So you just need to adjust the height based on your requirement, okay, the number of steps you have, okay. But by default, if you have the 7 steps, that's fine, you don't need to change anything. And here's the background color, okay. So this vertical line color is green. So if you want to change this green based on your use case, you just need to change this color, okay. And all other code is fine, you don't need to touch any JavaScript or anything else. So 2 things you need to do to use this code snippet, okay. So the first thing is adjust your content, okay, replace your content with the HTML code here, okay, and then adjust the color of your design, okay, the bullet point colors, the vertical line colors, the bullet point font colors, okay, and the size of the font, everything, okay. You can change from here, and you will get this description, okay. We have the comment for everywhere we need to make changes, okay. So that's it. You just need to make these changes and paste your code snippet into the code block, okay. So and then just publish, okay, save and preview. If everything goes well, then we should have a working timeline bullet points, okay. You see here, it's totally fine, it's working good, okay. So this way you can create this type of vertical bullet points, okay, timeline for your GoHighLevel landing page. So that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, okay. And you can also join our community, okay. So GHLSaaskits community, which is totally free, okay. You will get the link of this community into the description of this video. And also, if you like to have all our code snippet access, then you just need to get our code snippets premium version, okay. So by default, when you join into the community, you will also get access to our free version of the code snippets, okay. Always just need to go to the learning tab, and you will find this code snippet access here, okay. This is a free one, but if you want to access our premium code snippets, then all you just need to upgrade your account or buy any of our premium plan, okay. So that's it for this video, and thanks again for watching this. Have a nice day.